Welcome back, guys. We're at 120 subbies. I just want to say thank you. Oh my gosh, I think we will hit 500 this year. I think we will. Guys, it's birthday prep. It's 15 days, no, 14 days till my freaking birthday. My dog mad because I ain't walking her. But y'all, we got 15 days left till my birthday. Like, I'm excited, y'all. It's my birthday month. I have a hair appointment today. I am getting my hair washed, blow dried, and then cut evenly. Hopefully she can cut my hair even, because I can't keep dealing with the unevenness of my hair. I really can't, y'all. I can't. And you don't mind being on camera?
Oh, no.
Okay. I just want to make sure. Birthday in how many days? Y'all tell me, because I don't know. Watching Criminal Minds. No, not Criminal Minds, Law and Order. Yeah. Okay, y'all see the freaking hang time, baby? I thought I was bald-headed, y'all. I'm not bald-headed no more. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh, look at my hair. Like, it looks good, y'all. See the hang time with the freaking ponytail. Oh my gosh. I'm about to go put on my freaking lashes. I feel like I should put on my lashes, y'all. I look good. Oh my gosh, y'all. She did a really good job. I told her I will definitely be back 6 to 8 weeks for my next trim. She told me to get my hair pressed so that way like she can get a more precise cut on my hair. But damn, the ponytail is eating, like, bro, what? Dang, my hair kind of feel healthy again. Jesus. Okay guys, so I'm at home and I'm very pleased with my hair. Miss Mamas, I will be back, okay? So make sure y'all check her out, because I literally asked for my hair to be cut and she could tell where it wasn't even, as she could tell that the right side is shorter than the left side. And so, you know, she did her thing or whatever. But y'all, I don't know if y'all know this, I'm a mother first, so I gotta take my daughter to the park because she upset at me. She been in a cage. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Oh my gosh, road to 500 subbies.